Salam and welcome to Hakim Said channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about various medicines used in Unani medicine or Hikmat. Today's medicine is gum arabic, which is specially used for diarrhea. I'll tell you what is this medicine, how it is used, what are its main benefits, and a lot more. So please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. What is gum arabic? Gum arabic is a dried exudate obtained from the stems and branches of acacia tree, or also known as gum arabic tree. Lumps of gum arabic are yellowish and semi-transparent. It is tasteless but mucinous. Gum arabic is widely used in food, pharmaceuticals, paint and ceramic industry as a binding agent. You can find gum arabic in ingredients list as a code E414. Even in Unani medicine, it is used to make pills and tablets. Benefits: due to its glutinous, drying and astringent properties, it is good for diarrhea, dysentery, stop bleeding internally and externally, scratchy throat and chest, spermatorrhea and leukorrhea. Uses: for diarrhea, take 7 grams of broadleaf plantain seeds, mix it in 1 glass of water and wait for a couple of hours. Filter it, then add 6 grams of powdered gum arabic, mix it and drink it twice a day. This remedy also works for dysentery and bleeding like epistaxis and hemorrhoids. To stop bleeding from external wounds, make a lotion mixing powdered or grinded gum arabic with sesame oil. After cleaning the blood, abrogate the wound with this lotion. For scratchy throat and chest, just slowly chew the lump of gum arabic. For spermatorrhea and leukorrhea, mix grinded or powdered gum arabic with sugar in equal proportions. Take 1 tablespoon twice daily. Scientific research: gum arabic contains 95% of soluble fiber. It also has minerals like magnesium, potassium and calcium. It is good for digestion and bowel syndrome, LDL cholesterol control and plaque control. Temperament: gum arabic is cold in level 1, dry at level 2. For those who don't know what temperaments means in Unani medicine, can visit the link. You can find this link in the description of video. Side effects: if you use gum arabic for a long time, it can cause constipation due to its astringent and dry properties. Antidote: so it's better take it with laxative like castor oil or tragacanth gum if you want to take it for a long time. Alternative: tragacanth gum is also alternative to gum arabic if gum arabic is not available in the market. Dosage: 1 gram to 6 gram is a recommended dosage of gum arabic depending on the age and the problem you have. Lastly, the various names of gum arabic. Botanical name of gum arabic tree is Acacia nilotica. English name, as we all know, the gum arabic and gum acacia. In Urdu or Hindi, it is Gond Babul or Gond Kikar. In Arabic, it is Samaghe Arabi. In Chinese Mandarin, it is Alaba Shu Jiao. Hope you find this information useful. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, comment on it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can watch all new videos when uploaded. Thanks and salam.